Hi, darling ones. Well, this is in response to many, many emails I've gotten to do a writing workshop on Zoom. So I'm going to do it. We're going to start this Thursday, the 28th. That will not be a writing session. That will be us gathering together. Let me see who's interested, who wants to really do this. That will cost you nothing. And then I'm thinking 4 Thursday nights for an hour and a half each, and I will charge a minimum. And for those of you who have no money, I will, of course, not charge. Thinking I'll give a prompt, just like it'll be exactly like the workshop. Only people being invited are people who have taken the workshop. So everybody knows the rule. When you finish reading, we will tell you what we loved. I'm hoping that after the hour and a half, those of you who haven't gotten to read will break up into clusters and we'll be able to read to small groups. Anyway, I'm doing this. I'm going to try to do this. We'll talk Thursday night, the 28th at 8 o'clock p.m. You will get an email with this, with a link to sign up and come to that first session, and let's talk about if you're interested, if you want to do it, and let's see what happens. And this is what a person looks like who has not been out in many days. I'm self-isolating. There's the fire going. Can you see it? I love you all. Mwah.